Trajectories here. I got a little bit of an experiment I'm doing. I've never done an unboxing video before, so we're going to try it now. And I apologize for I did make my bed just recently, and I got a slight mess in my room. It's post-Christmas, so one step at a time, you know. So that's just what I'm doing. Anyways, let's dive into it. Alright, so as you see, I have two boxes right here. I turned them over so you don't have any personal information revealed. So, usually they like to start out small in some places, so let's start out with this one. Somebody here knows exactly what this is, including myself. I mean, I know what both of these are, but the sender of this box right here is going to get this video dedicated to him. His name is Nick. Elevators, Trains, and More by NWA 0714, but we got that number right. So, let's dive into it. Okay, so let's open it on this side. I do have scissors if there's any dire situations. Okay, we got part of it open. So I don't know if I showed anything right here, so let's turn it over. Turn that open. Come on. Alright. So, what have we here? Elevator button. I actually don't have any of these. But Nick was kind enough to send this elevator button from ThyssenKrupp. It's one of their newer vandal-resistant fixtures. And it does light up. It lights up with the blue LED. Very nice. Let's take a look at the back. You got the ThyssenKrupp logo right here. Sorry if my lamp's in the way. Let's get that out of there. It's by Frame Manufacturing Company. And yeah, Vision Plastics. Got a little promotion right there, a little shout out. My question is, like, I wonder how many people install elevators and when they face this type of button, they gotta decide which side they want to put it on. Because ultimately it could go either way. It's a little question I have in mind, but very nice elevator fixture. It's actually my first one that I have. I don't have an elevator parts collection, and I have no chance, and I have no plans to really expand it unless I get like donations or something, or gifts. But this is very nice. I'm gonna press my luck. No whammies, stop. Maybe this could be good for a game show. Let's put this on my bed. My camera just shut off. I accidentally hit the power button. My phone's ridiculous. Now let's move on to this box. I'm not sure if any of you could guess what's in here. Maybe if I put in the title of the video, you will be able to tell what's in here. I'll just say this, it's from Best Buy. And I had 2 gift cards, so I wanted to use them. This is easier because it's a bigger box. At least to show the camera. I already wish I had a tripod for this stuff. Done. This could work. Hang on just 1 second, switch hands. Steady. Easy, girl, easy. Done. Okay. Going through this knick-knack stuff right here. Done. Done. More done. And you can see what it is right here, but I'm going to do the dramatic reveal in just a second. As I like to call it. Turn it over. Ugh. And there you go, I think. Finally it's out. As you can see right here, this is a Infinity Gauntlet, and this is very appropriate for today. As you can see right here, I have my Thanos shirt on. I actually just got this was it last week? Oh, 2 weeks ago, when the store was going out of business and they had this for 75% off. Anyways. let's move on to this. Move that box out of the way. And this is taped. So, just get a clear view of the box. Pretty much the same art on all sides, although this is pretty much blank. That's different. It has articulated fingers. The box is a little bit damaged, although this is brand new. So I imagine maybe the truck did something with it. And you see right there, without the glare, Infinity Gauntlet. Alright, let's open this thing. Good. Come on. Let's throw that away. Not sure if that went in the trash or not. More stuff in here. And here's the gauntlet itself, in plastic. Here's the gauntlet in plastic. Anyways, here's a good view of it. I wanted this ever since I first heard about it in 2018. But now I have it, thank gosh. So let's take this out of the plastic. Sounds like a dream come true. I feel like a kid on Christmas. I'm not gonna lie. These seem batteries, if I'm not mistaken. So, here's the gauntlet. Yeah, you can move the finger, look at that. How do you even control this thing? This is actually pretty cool. It's really hard to demonstrate how to use this. You just had to find the holes, essentially. Good. And finally I found the thumb hole. There you go. Very cool. And I think I lost a middle finger one. Don't know if I broke it. Let's try bending it. I need to go further. You know what this says in trial and error. I'm going to stop the video. I finally got the middle finger thing to work. There you go. That's my one problem with it. It can't go back. Probably just flick it like this. So you had to be careful with it. Hey, you really are going to have to adjust this thing. So, am I disappointed with this? No, I'm not. I actually love this thing, even though I haven't turned it on yet. It's just a little clunky. That's the only thing. Alright, so I found the battery. So, let's do this. Because I feel like that parent who's getting really mad when a toy does not come with batteries. But luckily I just bought some the other day, so I got to use the ones in my room. And just the new ones I just bought, so yay. So let's see if there's anything else we have to do. Oh, there's a power button anywhere. Is this it? Okay. There we go. Now that's epic. Kind of scary too. I don't know if there's a volume setting on this. Let's get all these fingers situated. Okay, that's good. Let's try this out. This is not something I'll be using very often, but it's still nice to have. Alright, let's turn this off. Is there a way to turn it off? Come on. Let me see. I don't want to turn the camera off, so it's gotta be. I mean, until then, it might make a good night light. Oh, there we go. It automatically shuts off. That helps a lot. So anyway, I think that's going to include this little unboxing video I have here for you all. Of my $100 Infinity Gauntlets, which to me is priceless. And the ThyssenKrupp elevator button. Thank you, Nick, for the button, by the way. I have no idea how often I'll be using this. I'm going to bring it to a con at some point if I can. If I can even fit in the suitcase I have. And then this, I'll have me hanging, well, maybe not hanging somewhere, I'll have it somewhere in my room to keep it safe. For pressing situations. So, now we've heard this unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I'll be doing much more in the future. But, nevertheless, that'll be it. That's inevitable.